This is Riddick Valaki reporting for the Oval. We've come to a restricted area right up to the fence. This is about as far as we can go on a secret top mission project that the government has, where they're building, and I know this is going to be hard to believe, but they're building crafts out of metal and wood, and I'm not sure what else, rubber. It's pretty top secret, confidential stuff. And they're saying that these crafts are actually going to be able to move from being on the ground to traveling through the air. I'm not quite certain how they do it, but they've put a lot of scientists to work at this, and I think we may be seeing, we may be privileged enough to see one of these airplanes actually take to the skies today. So we're gonna sit and watch for a second. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, I think we're off the ground. It's in the air. This is amazing. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. That was really something, folks. Like that makes me proud to be an American.